Next.js is a popular web development framework for React-based web applications offering features like server-side rendering, code splitting, internationalization, and more with little to no configuration. It was created by Vercel, a company focused on building tools for developers and designers. This week, the annual Next.js Conference was held where Next.js 13 was announced along with major updates. One of the biggest updates was the introduction of Turbopack. Turbopack is the web's next generation bundler built in Rust. It's the successor to Webpack and is of course blazingly fast. So why did Vercel decide to build Turbopack in Rust, and how fast is it really? We'll discuss all of that in this video, but first, if you haven't already, make sure to get your free Rust cheat sheet by heading over to letsgetrusty.com/cheat sheet. During the Next.js keynote, Lee Robinson, the VP of Developer Experience at Vercel, explained that back in 2016, JavaScript tools were built in JavaScript. Tools like Babel, a JavaScript transpiler, Cursor, a JavaScript minifier, and Webpack, a JavaScript bundler. This worked well for a while, but eventually these tools written in JavaScript could not deliver the performance needed by large and complex web applications. To solve this problem, Vercel began transitioning tools written in JavaScript to native tools written in Rust. They started off by replacing Babel with a tool written in Rust, which resulted in transpilation times being 17 times faster. Then they replaced Cursor, which resulted in 6 times faster minification times. So upgrading web development tools written in JavaScript to native tooling written in Rust is not new for Vercel. But there was one last piece that they had left to port: the bundler. Currently, the most popular JavaScript bundler is Webpack. Writing a new bundler is a large undertaking which requires a lot of expertise. Luckily, Vercel was able to hire the creator of Webpack, Tobias Koppers. Tobias assembled a team to build the successor to Webpack, and the result is Turbopack. So how fast is Turbopack? For large applications, Turbopack shows updates 10 times faster than Vite, another popular JavaScript bundler, and 700 times faster than Webpack. For larger applications, the difference is even greater, with Turbopack oftentimes showing updates 20 times faster than Vite. This is a huge win for web developers. So how does Turbopack achieve these impressive performance metrics? Well, the Turbopack team incorporated lessons learned from 10 years of building Webpack. They also took inspiration from build tools like Bazel, which focuses on using caching to never do the same work twice. And lastly, Turbopack is written in Rust, the fastest, safest, and coolest language on the planet. So what is the future of Turbopack? Well, currently it's in alpha release, so don't expect to be using it in production anytime soon. The current plan is for Turbopack to be used inside Next.js, first for development and then later in production. And finally, it will eventually become a standalone bundler, which you can use outside of the Next.js ecosystem. Also, there will be an incremental migration path for Webpack users. There you have it, another JavaScript tool being rewritten in Rust to be blazingly fast. Let me know what you think about Rust being used for front-end tooling in the comments section down below. And before you go, make sure to get your free Rust cheat sheet by heading over to letsgetrusty.com/cheat sheet. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.